Okay, brother, here you go. Hopefully the sound will come out. Actually, I just painted those wheels 2 days ago. So here you go for your sound. It'll settle down here in a little bit. You'll be able to hear the lope real good. It's not too loud where the neighbors really are bothered. It's a nice sound. There you go, it's starting to settle down. Hear it? But when I get on it, which I'll try to do here in a minute, it does have a pretty mean sound. There's the lope. Okay, so I'll try to get on it now a little bit. Hear it? And as you can see, the tack's at right about 750. So that's what I got for you. If there's any other questions, or if that didn't come out too good, let me know, and I'll see what I can do for you. All right?